Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. Okay, so you may be knowing that YouTube is the gold mine for money. Yeah, YouTube is the best gold mine from where you can mine a lot of money. And today I'm gonna show you an entire YouTube marketing business blueprint. Okay, and this blueprint is really worth a lot because none of the affiliate gurus have ever told you about all this stuff, and no one is about sharing this information with you. But I want to share this information with you because I have been making a lot of money with YouTube, and I have worked with YouTube for a long period of time. Since 2 years I have been working on YouTube. I am having two channels despite of those channels, and those channels are monetized and they are making a lot of money. So I would like to share one of the business marketing blueprint with you, in which you have to use the power of YouTube and you can make a lot of money. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. I will show you the entire step-by-step process which you need to follow, and if you can follow this in any niche, okay, it's not about any of the niches, but you can do this in particular any of the niche and start making a lot of money with YouTube. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are here to make a lot of money online. So now let's get started. Okay, so let's get the side of the screen, because if I sit in the middle of the screen, then many of you may leave the video. Okay, so now I came from on the side of the screen, and let's go and let me show you the entire board. Okay, so this is the board which you need to use. Okay, this is the board which I have created, and this is the board which I will be explaining to you the entire process. For example, and for the purpose of this video, we will be targeting one niche. Okay, and that is book. Okay, BOOK, book niche. Okay, let me make a square over here and let's write book niche. You can take any niche of your choice and use this strategy. Okay, so let's get it over here and let's type it over here. Okay, the text size is a bit bigger, but you may understand. Book niche. Okay, so we are going to work on book niche. Okay, for this example of this video, we are going to create a YouTube channel which is related to book niche. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to make a niche. Okay, you need to select a niche for your YouTube channel. This is where most of the YouTubers fail, because they put in videos on their YouTube channel regarding any of the content, but none of the content works if your content is not targeted to a single niche or a single topic. For example, there is health and fitness niche. For example, there is book niche. For example, there are many other niches. Okay, so the first thing we did is that we decided a niche for our YouTube channel. We are going to create videos related to books. Okay, books. So the first thing is decided, the first thing is done. Okay, so this is what you have to do when you are launching a YouTube channel. First you have to decide your niche, the niche about which you are passionate, the niche about which you are interested. Okay, now let's jump to the second thing, and the second thing is content. Okay, as we are working in the book niche, what type of content we can produce regarding books. One content about book is that you can read different books and explain, so many concepts are available in many of the books. Okay, so you can explain those concepts, okay, through video format. Okay, after that this can be done with book, or else you can make book reviews. Okay, so you may read a book and then you may upload a review video about that book. Or there can be a type of content in which you may explain the things like, what are the top 10 things which I learned from this book. Okay, how this book changed my life, and all this type of content can be created regarding the book niche. So you just have to think out the different way. If you select one of the niche, you have to think in different ways that what kind of content you can produce. Okay, so For example, we chose a book niche, okay, and in the book niche there are different niches. For example, business book. Okay, so you are creating videos about business books and the concepts in business books. Okay, after that you can create videos about books about kids, story books, and all that other stuff. So in one niche there are lots and lots of niches. So target any of the niche, narrow it down a bit, and understand what niche you want to work properly into. Okay, that's really important, and that's how this thing works. Okay, so this is what you have to do in the second step. Okay, now you have decided that you are gonna create videos about book niche, okay, and about business books. Okay, so what you will do is that you will start reading one book every week, and you will be making a video on whatever the concepts which you have learned from that particular book. For example, you have read Rich Dad Poor Dad entire book in this first week, okay, and whatever the concepts you have learned from Rich Dad Poor Dad, you will summarize those concepts and make a video about those concepts. Now, tools to make content. Okay, so what kind of tools you require to make this kind of content? So the tools which you need is a smartphone. Okay, you will require a smartphone to make this type of content. That's really important. Let me become a bit smaller so that I may not disturb you. So what kind of content you require? Okay, tools. So you may require a smartphone. If you are ready and if you are willing to show your face, you require a smartphone and a mic. Okay, that are the two things which you will require, and you need to record yourself. Now, the another way with which you can do this without showing your face is creating slideshow videos. Okay, so there are a lot of YouTube channels in which they just have a slideshow which is being playing in a particular video, and they add a voiceover over that video. So you can make videos recording yourself. You can make a slideshow video, as well as you can make a whiteboard animation video in which you explain different concepts of different books which you are reading, okay, through video format. And this is done, and many of the YouTubers are doing this type of stuff and making a lot of money. Okay, so the thing is covered, so the niche is covered, where you are gonna find content and all the stuff is done. I have found you. Okay, now the next step is revenue. What is your first revenue stream? Okay, so you have followed this first three steps, and you have been working on this for 2 to 3 months. Just understand that this is how YouTube works. It takes some time to grow on YouTube, and that's the reason why you just have to work on this three steps for the first 3 months. Okay, so once you have worked on those three steps for the first 3 months, there would be probably your some of the videos may be getting more and more views. And after you get a particular amount of views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, okay, after doing that, what will happen is that you can apply for YouTube monetization, so that ads will come on your videos, and then you will make money from those ads. Okay, so this is what will happen to you once you work on this first three steps for the first 3 months. Okay, so this is going to happen, and then you just have to apply for YouTube monetization, YouTube AdSense partner program. Okay, once you apply for that and you get accepted, so your ads will come to your videos, and you will start making money through YouTube ads. So in the 3 months, your first revenue stream has been started. Okay, so this is the entire business blueprint, and that's the reason why I am showing you all this stuff. I'm just taking a book niche as an example. You can apply this blueprint on any of the niches, and for those who just want this blueprint and want to save this blueprint, pause the video, take a screenshot. pause the video, take a screenshot, okay, so that you can use this entire blueprint. Okay, so once your tool is done and your revenue has started, you have unlocked your first revenue source. This is just like a game, you are unlocking new levels. Okay, so your first level has been unlocked and you are earning YouTube AdSense revenue. Okay, now you are making this money. How will you increase your money? So you have been reading a lot of books and you have been explaining a lot of concepts about books. Now where is that affiliate comes into play to add to your revenue? Okay, so now first revenue has been covered, which is YouTube ad revenue. Now second, affiliate income. Whichever book you the concept of whichever books you are explaining in your videos, or the content which you are explaining in your videos, whichever book that is, place a Amazon affiliate link in the description of your video of that particular book, so that if someone buys that book from your affiliate link, you are going to receive a commission. Okay, so that's what's gonna happen. And now after you start doing this stuff, you are gonna have two revenue streams which will start paying you money. Okay, so now let's go, and once you have done this, you have grown your YouTube channel to a particular amount, that is 10,000 subscribers. Now it's time to launch your own product. Okay, how you are gonna launch your own product, that's what I'm gonna show you, and that's what I'm gonna explain to you. So you are having a good revenue. Okay, you are having a good affiliate income, and you have become popular among your audience. You have created your image, your brand. Now it's time that you have read so many books during this time. Okay, so for now you have understood that how books work and what are the things which are written in a book. So from that, all that things, you just have to write your own book. Okay, you can write your own book, or you can create a video course on how many things you learned from all the different books. Now these are the two type of things which you can make. You can make a digital course in which you can teach people how much you learned from reading up to 100 books. Okay, or you can also make you can write your own book, and which you are gonna launch through your YouTube channel. Okay, that's gonna happen, and then those books are gonna sell because you are already having a big amount of audience for you, and that audience is really willing and trusting you, so they will buy that book. And that's the reason why, and that's a place where your third revenue stream comes into play. Okay, so now you have three revenue streams and you are earning a lot of money. Okay, now the thing is that you just have to scale it up a little bit more, and you just have to do some sponsorships. Okay, so once your YouTube channel grows, and you will receive a lot of sponsorships. Okay, so you can use all the sponsorships and make extra revenue. So that would be your fourth source of revenue through YouTube. Okay, so you are having four income streams with just one YouTube channel. One more thing which I'm going to tell you is that you can hire a developer. Okay, there are so many developers who are available on fiverr.com and all these websites, and you can make a particular app. Okay, you can make a particular application, and you can launch that application through your YouTube channel, and in this way you are gonna have absolutely 5 revenue streams of income which you are going to earn from just one YouTube channel. And this is how YouTube money works, and this is what is the business revenue model, or we can say that this is the YouTube business blueprint which I'm going to share with you. I'm explaining to you, and I'm showing you what you have to do and how your business growth will happen. Once all this is done, everything about this is covered, you still have one more big revenue stream which is available until now. Okay, and that is that you have got a brand, you are famous, you have got a name, people trust you. Now what you can do is that you can start your small book publishing house. Yes, you can start your book publishing house, and you can help other writers to publish their books, and in this way you will be making your business a lot bigger and bigger. And this is how you are gonna make a lot of money through YouTube. Now, this is not specific for the book niche. You can do this in any of the niche and apply this blueprint on any of the niche. All you need to do is take action, and you can start your YouTube channel and make a lot of money. So this is something practical concept which I wanted to explain to you through this video. None of the YouTube affiliate gurus or YouTube marketers are gonna teach you all this kind of important stuff and different kind of revenue streams and explain you the entire business revenue models. None of the affiliate gurus are doing that. That's the reason I'm creating these videos for you. So if you like this video, just press the like button, smash the subscribe button under this video, and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I come up with awesome videos just like this, in which I explain to you how to make money online in 2020, doing very simple strategies and stuff. And anyone can do this, and this is something which is applicable to most of the YouTube channels nowadays, and you can make a lot of money just creating this type of very simple YouTube channels and just applying this revenue strategy or this business blueprint to your YouTube channel. You can make a lot of money. And I have talked about the book niche, and this niche is really one of the best and most profitable niche in which you can also work and make a lot of money online. So for now, that's for it for today's video. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And also you can follow us on Instagram, link is in the description.